Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day I bid to you. Don't forget to wear your face mask and always use your hand sanitizer. Today we are from Group 15. We are going to present about our case study, which is water cuts in Selangor. But before that, let me introduce the team members. My name is Muhammad Zuhilman bin Mazlan. Amir Irfan bin Ghaffar as the team leader, Muhammad Mukri Shafiq bin Muhammad, and Abdul Hadi bin Abdul Wahab. So let's just dive into the presentation. This case study is based on events that occurred throughout the year 2020. During the year 2020, we found that many incidents occurred that involving the water cuts in Selangor. This is hard because people need large quantity of water every day, as water is one of the basic needs of a human beings. In Selangor, the federal territories of Kuala Lumpur and Putrajaya alone, water consumption is reported at 222 liters per day per person, which is more than 30% compared to 165 liters recommended by the World Health Organization (WHO). Based on this statistic, it is clear that the people in Selangor need large quantities of water. Based on this case study, we managed to identify the SWOT of the company. SWOT stands for strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. By identifying these four aspects, a company is able to minimize the risk that will be born and also take the opportunities that are available. The analysis of this case study is based on four aspects: reason, effect, controversy, and solution. I pass the presentation to the next team member.
Hi, my name is Abdul Hadi bin Abdul Wahab, and I will present about the introduction of the study case. Malaysia, as they are fortunate to have the water supply in abundance, the availability of the clean water supply is decreased as demand of is growing in line with the country's increased population. Stress has contributed to rise in demand for the tap water in the manufacturing sector. The government play a very important role in the management of the water environment standard, and the purpose of writing this report is to advise the water companies to overcome this water problem.
Alright, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Mukri Shafiq bin Muhammad. Metric number is AA191164. And now we are moving on to the content of coverage or the problem statement for our study case, which is there is a million of households in Selangor often to facing a shorted amount of water supply and dry for a few days, and sometimes they are facing it for until a few weeks. And the notice for the issue are only at the last minute, and that will causing the business and industrial work became more discomfort. And right now we are moving on to the second page, which is the SWOT analysis. S for strength, W for weakness, O for the opportunities, and the T is for the traits. And for the strength, there are 2 points, which is having a official website if we want to contact or want to get more information or detailed information about the status of water supply. And then the second point is Air Selangor is the only company that has a valid license to provide water service for their residents or for the state of Selangor. And then the next point is weakness. And the weaknesses, we have 3 points, which is there are too many water crises in Selangor that often affect the life of the people in Selangor. And the second point is has a low water storage margin. And the last point is often experience odor pollution to the water supply. And next, we are moving on to the opportunities, which is we have 2 points. And the first one is to listen the consumer complaints to improve the quality of company service to the consumers. And the second point is to improve the Selangor water supply system to ensure consumer satisfactions of consumers. And the last point is the traits, which is we're having 2 points. And the first one is water pollution occurs due to bad dates by irresponsibility parties. And the last point is negligence of authorities in carrying out their duties while protecting the water storage state or area.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good evening, everyone. So my name is Amir Irfan bin Ghaffar, and I'm a team leader for this study case. That topic is for the water crisis that happening right now at Selangor. Okay, so what I'm going to present today is about the reason why this water crisis is happening. Okay, for the first reason is the low water storage margin. Okay, the low water storage margin, why upon this? Because this is very important. When we look at the data, okay, the storage margin that Selangor have right now is only 5%. Okay, what is storage margin? Storage margin is the storage that people use this water, the 5% of water, when the emergency is happened. So for me, it is not enough to cover all of the area of the Selangor when this water crisis is happening. They need to improve this lah. Okay, the second reason is the scheduled water discussion due to repair and improvement work. Okay, when we look at the Selangor, they don't have the proper scheduled water to repair and improve this work. Okay, so when they don't have this proper schedule, the netizen don't know when this repair will happen, and they cannot make a proper time to prepare the enough water to cover the time of the repair. Okay, the third reason is repair improvement work. It's same like the second, but it's only said that when it want to repair and improve, they have to cut the water, so the netizen will lose the water for a few days. That's the reason. Okay, the fourth reason is replacement and repair of the damaged pipeline essential asset. Okay, so we have the important asset that have been broken, like damaged pipe, for example. So they need to repair and improve that and replace that. Okay, the fifth reason is the old and worn pipe. If we look at the Selangor